till now. I'm trying my level best to get videos which would really help each one of you, and I'm trying my level best to get information, research on it, and here I am with another video which will really help you because it has helped me. So let's get started. So I'm going to tell you how to choose the right kind of foundation. This is something which is really difficult. So there are 4 types of foundation. One is a liquid foundation, a cream foundation, a powder foundation, and a stick foundation. Now these are the type of foundation which you can find in the market. Now liquid foundation is something which I'm sure each one of you must have used. This is something which is available everywhere and something which is also not expensive. It comes in various ranges and different types of brands. So something I'm sure which everyone would have used. It's a bottle and it will be like how liquid foundation should be. And this is something which is good for all skin types. Dry, normal, oily, combination, all skin types. Now let's talk about cream foundation, and cream foundation is something for people with dry to normal skin. This is not for people with oily skin. This comes in a jar. If you have seen the Maybelline mousse foundation or something, mainly a mousse one, that is a cream foundation. Now this is really good for people with dry skin. It has a little more thick texture, so it will really help to cover your flaky area and it will really help you, and it is very good because it really hydrates your skin. Now that anything which hydrates the skin is good for people with dry skin. Now there was a time when I used to have dry skin, so this has really helped me. Try using cream foundation if you have a dry skin or even for a normal skin. It will really help. Let's talk about stick foundation. Stick foundation is something which is not available too much in the market, mainly because these are mainly used by high-end brands like MAC or Bobbi Brown. So many high-end brands is something which launches stick foundation. Now this is very good for people with oily skin because it will not make your skin very oily. It will give a very good finish to your makeup. It's very good if you're getting late or something. It's very good if you have a stick foundation because it's very easy to apply and blend to. Now stick foundation, like I said, it's not available in all brands. It's not something which is affordable, but recently Maybelline has come up with a stick concealer. Now that is good, but that is a concealer. It doesn't act like a foundation, but that is also good for people with oily skin. Now let's talk about the powder foundation. If you have not seen powder foundation, Natio has a very good one. I have it. It actually gives a very good coverage. It is mainly recommended for people with oily skin because if with dry skin is using it, then it will definitely make your skin flaky because powder, it will not make your skin look good. So don't use if you have a dry skin. Natio has a very good powder foundation, so go for it, and that's really good for people with oily skin. Now I'll tell you how you should actually choose this foundation. It may sound funny, but this is actually what you're supposed to do. So how to determine what type of skin tone you have? Now the thing is, one person cannot have just one particular type of skin tone. They will definitely have 2-3 types of skin tone. It depends on the climate, it depends on the season, everything, and also on you, on what you eat. So one person cannot have just one skin tone. Now if you want to determine what skin tone you have, you can wear a black dress or a white dress, stand in front of the window with natural sunlight. That will definitely determine what skin tone you have. Now the thing is, even if you determine your skin tone, suppose you have a pink skin tone, that doesn't mean you go for a pink foundation. And if you have a yellow skin tone, doesn't mean you go for a yellow foundation because that will make your skin more yellow or more pink. Now if you have a pink skin tone, try taking 1 to 2 shades lighter than you. If you have yellow skin tone, try to take 1 to 2 shades lighter than you. It's always better to choose foundation which is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin, because foundation doesn't mean that it has to make your skin white. No, that is not the job of foundation. Main job of foundation is to cover all your acne, your marks, your pigmentation, and also to give a very nice finish to your face, and also for other makeup to sit on like contouring, blush, highlighter, liners, eyeshadow. For that to sit on, foundation is important. So that's how you determine the skin tone. Now when you go to buy a foundation in a store, what you're supposed to do is you ask them if you can take it outside. Try putting the foundation on the jawline, okay? I know many people, they put it on the hand and they blend it and like, ah, ये तो perfect है. ऐसे नहीं चलता. What you have to do is put it on your hands, try blending it, and then take it and put it on your jaw. here, this side, okay? And then go outside, see it in your mirror that whether it's suiting you or not. If it is, then go ahead. If it's not, then ask for a lighter shade or a darker shade. Don't put on your hand and blend it and then try finding whether it's suitable for you or not, because that's not the correct way to do it. Even with concealers, always put on your jawline, because that's the way you're supposed to determine whether the foundation or concealer is better for you or not. If you go to the store, you'll see yellow light. They will have different kind of lightings. Now that will also confuse you. Now this particular foundation which you have chosen the store, when you go to a restaurant, they'll have a dim light, a blue light. Now there it will look completely different. So always buy foundation, concealers, even pressed powders on the daytime and not at night. Because in the daytime, go outside and look, because that will completely tell you what kind of foundation and what color you should buy. So this really determines how to choose the right foundation with the right color and for your right skin tone. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give it a thumbs up. That will really motivate me. If you have any queries, then please comment below, and you can even mail to me. I will definitely reply. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. Till next time, bye. You all have a wonderful day.